There is different ways to parent than you're currently doing, and there's probably more effective ways to parent than what you're currently doing if you're having struggles with you and your children. And what that comes down to is effectively parenting versus emotionally parenting, and that's what this video is about. So when we emotionally parent, what I mean by that is when we find ourselves yelling at our kids, when we find ourselves criticizing our kids, when we find ourselves thinking that we're a bad parent, feeling guilty or ashamed of ourselves, when we're feeling like our kid's a bad kid. That's all emotionally charged. That's all coming from our little brain instead of our thinking brain. And I've done videos about that before. So what I mean by that is we need to parent in a way that is effective. If you focus on strong communication, strong connection, having clear limits and boundaries in your home, setting up in your home where you're using discipline instead of punishment. And what I mean by that is you're not trying to fear your base parent, you're not trying to scare your kids to listen to you. Your kids are listening to you because they want to follow your lead. They see someone who's in control, someone who's role modeling the right choices, someone who's not telling them to not do something but doing it themselves. So those are ways you can effectively parent. And trust me, I'm not judging. If you're struggling and you find yourself emotionally parenting, I've been there. Everyone's been there. Now's the time to try something different. There's different types of parenting styles. We usually pick up our parenting styles from our own parents, even if we didn't like it, or we just kind of develop our own style from friends or family. But there's ways to develop effective strategies. So if you want, you can reach out to me. You can read a book, you can Google, you can find many different things on how to effectively parent. All I know is what has worked for me, and like I said, I did it through trial and error. And I also know that if you keep trying the same thing over and over when it's not working, that does not work well. So please stay safe, be healthy,